Okay, today we are going to try and make a rhinestone template. First, we'll open up Silhouette Studio Business Edition. All right, so we're here in Silhouette Studio Business Edition. We're just going to make a simple rhinestone template out of words. So, my niece recently had a baby, and I'd like to make her a mama template. So, I'm going to click over here on this A for text. Then come to my um, worksheet right here, this design panel. Type the word mama, come off of it, go up here. No, then we'll go over here to where it is the text style panel. Click that, and let's find a nice bold font that we could use to make this. Now, what I have learned in making my rhinestone templates is that the bigger the template is, or the word is, the better the template turns out. So, and the more bold the font is, the better the template turns out. So I'm going to choose impact. So we've chose that. The text has changed. So now I'm going to make this bigger. Right now it is currently 1.220 inches tall and 2.455 inches wide. So I'm going to go here in the corner and just pull this box out. So if you like that, that is 4.290 inches tall. I wonder if we can make it a little taller. So I do like how wide it is here, although we could probably make it a little bit bigger. So that's almost 10 inches wide and almost 5 inches high. Let's see if we could do it. Here we go. So now we have 5.243 inches tall and 10.554 inches wide. All right, so now we've done that. Everything is pretty much over here. So we got the word. Let's try and highlight it again if we can. All right, we're going to go over here to our rhinestone panel. Click that. We're going to go up here to where it says rhinestone. So this is the rhinestone effect panel. I always like to go to my rhinestone size first. And I know I'm going to work with rhinestones that are size 10 SS because that's all I have, or most of what I have. So here we go. I'm going to click that. Then in the rhinestone effect panel, we could have no rhinestones, which is what we have now. We can have edge rhinestones, and I'll show you what that looks like. So it would just edge the word mama. Or we can have linear fill, which is what I like most of the time. So let's see what that looks like. Oh, I really like that. Or we can have radial fill. And so linear fill puts everything mostly in rows and columns, whereas radial fill tries to go around and fill it all in. It gets those curved edges if you have any. But since this is an impact font, there are not any curved edges. So I do like it in the linear fill. So this is linear field, and I'm going to zoom in so we can get a better look. And so you see everything is lined up nice and evenly. Now, there are some things we can do. I mean, I love this. I don't think I would change a thing. But there are some things we could do if we wanted to. We could change the spacing. So right now, with the spacing the way it is at 0.039, we would need 1,080 SSTM rhinestones. But if we were to change the spacing and make it smaller in between the rhinestones, the circles, which we could do, let's try it at, I'll just do 3.5 just to see, because I really do like it. So you see it brings them in more. We can change it. A lot of times I do 0.018, gives you lots and lots of rhinestones. I mean, that looks good too, but I was happy with 0.039. So now our rhinestones have increased because we decreased the spacing, which means we're using more rhinestones, and now we're at 1338. So I'm going to go back to about 0.025. And I'm really happy with that. I will zoom in some more so you can see, but I'm really happy with that. Now I could put an offset around this so that we could really see the word mama. But like I said, I like it. I'll zoom out so we can see. You can read it, mama. Let's see if we can put an offset. Oh, let's go back and do that. All right, so we will make the field red. All right, then we'll go to this line and see if we could change that to black. Nope, didn't work. Not like that. So here's our rhinestone design, mama. As simple as that. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for visiting with me at Sequita's Customs Creations. Have a great day.